Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Syahmi bin Muhammad Nizar, matrix number 2240765. Welcome to our second and final group discussion for this project. I will be the moderator for the second group discussion. So without wasting any time, we will reflect on our journey completing the breaking news video project. We will talk about the progress we made, the obstacles we faced, what we learned and how we can improve in the future. Let's begin with the segment on SDG 4, which is quality education. Nisha, can you explain how the production process went and what challenges you encountered?
Thank you, moderator. We started by identifying key problems in education during the pandemic, especially for students who struggled with one learning. One big issue was the lack of access to devices and stable internet. To get real stories, I prepared detailed interview questions focusing on these challenges. We interviewed two students and one teacher. For example, one student shared how difficult it was to keep up with lesson when she only had a phone with limited data. Another mentioned that her parents could not afford a laptop, which made studying harder. Our team divided tasks well. Member 3 wrote the script, Member 4 handled the camera work, and I coordinate the interviews. We also ensure our questions were clear and respectful, so interviewees feel comfortable sharing. Filming was mostly done on campus, but also at students' home to show the real situation. Everyone was cooperative, but coordinating schedule was sometimes difficult. So I will pass to member 3.
Thank you, Nisha. Adam, can you continue by explaining the challenges and lessons that we learned?
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Thank you for moderator Syahmi and Nisha give us her opinion. We appreciate. So adding to that, we had to deal with a few technical issues. For example, background noise during filming was distracting. At one point, a loud construction site nearby forces us to stop and reschedule. Also, we realized how important preparation is. One team member forgot some lines during filming, so we had to reshoot several scenes, which took extra time. So, this experience taught us better communication and the value of practicing before recording. We also learn to be patient and flexible when things didn't go as planned. So that's my opinion. So return to moderator.
Thank you, Adam. Great explanation. Hidayah, can you explain what is the transition to have segment and skit content?
Thank you, moderator. Moving to our segment, Good Health as Reading, we focus on mental health, a critical and often overlooked issue among students. Rather than just presenting text, we created a short clip showing a student overwhelmed by academic pressure, feeling isolated and stressed. The script then shows how reaching out to friends and taking back can help improve mental health. We film the script only using Zoom with a script effect to show two characters simultaneously. It was challenging to coordinate acting and technical setup, but it made the video more dynamic. Yes, that's how I did. Return to moderator.
Thank you, Hidayah, for your point. Let's go through with the statistics and creative approach. So, Amal, you may start now.
Thank you, moderator. So to strengthen our message, we included data from the WHO and Malaysian Ministry of Health. So for instance, in 2022, over 400,000 Malaysians reported mental health problem between age 15 to 24. So we also added practical tips on stress management, such as maintaining regular sleep schedules, doing physical exercise, limiting time on social media, practicing mindfulness or relaxation techniques, talking to trusted friends, family, and counselor. So by combining data with relatable storytelling, our video aims to educate and encourage students to seek help without stigma. That's all from me.
Thank you, Amal. Let's move on with our final edits, reflections, and next steps. Zikri, can you explain about it?
Sure. Thank you to the moderator. To the final edit, reflection, and next step. Currently, we are working on finalizing both video segments. We have added subtitle for clarity, background music to set the mood, and smooth transition to improve flow. One important lesson from this project is realizing how much planning and teamwork is needed in video production. It is not just about recording, it is about creating a story that connect with viewers. We also gather feedback from classmates who suggest including more resources like school counselor and hotlines for mental health support, which we have since added. Next, we will prepare our presentation slides and rehearse so we can clearly explain our goal, creative process, and lesson learned. I will pass to the moderator.
Okay, so thank you all for your hard work and dedication throughout this project. I'm really proud of our teamwork and the outcome. This project has not only increased our awareness of SDG 3 and 4, but also improved our skills in communication, collaboration, and time management. Before we close, does anyone want to share any final reflection?
Me. I've learned to appreciate the struggles of students with limited resources. It motivates me to be more supportive and understanding towards others in similar situations. That's all from me.
Yeah, okay. Um, I now understand how mental health issues affect many students and the importance of being there for them. It's okay to ask for help, and we should encourage the culture. That's my opinion.
Oh, okay. Great reflection. Let's keep this spirit as we finalize our project. I'm confident our video will inspire others to care about education and mental health. Thank you everyone for your ideas and participation. We will look forward to our news report. See you all at the final presentation. Good luck everyone.